Hey everybody, how are you doing? And I am doing a video to show you what I'm going to do with some of these Brussels sprouts. I'm not going to make all of them. I'm only going to make some. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and wash them and then dry them and put some olive oil. And I will bring you back when they're in the pan. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the saran wrap and I'm just going to put it over this tight. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the microwave and microwave it for about 5 to 7 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, look at that beautiful color, you guys. I absolutely love when it gets like this. Isn't that beautiful from what it was before? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take olive oil, okay, and I'm going to put my peppercorn, my pink Himalayan salt. These are both from Trader Joe's. Now, I usually get the lemon pepper from Trader Joe's because you grind it, and I like it better. Lowry's is a good one too. I prefer the ground, but I wasn't able to get it at Trader Joe's when I needed it, so I'm going to put all of these into it, and then with my spoon I'm just going to mix it up, and we're going to put it on the baking pan, and we're going to put it in at 350 for about 40 minutes, and then I'll be back once it's done. I'm not going to put a lot of the pink Himalayan because this lemon pepper has salt, where Trader Joe's does too, but it doesn't seem to be as salty. Now I love, and you know what? I think I'm even going to add, and if Jeremy was here right now, he'd give me all kinds of heck. I love red pepper flakes on everything. And it drives him nuts because I put it on everything, and I put quite a bit because I like spicy. And that's totally optional. So now we're just going to mix it into all of our Brussels sprouts. And you guys, when they come out of the oven and they go, oh my gosh, it's so good. And this would be very good with lemon chicken, which I'm going to do a recipe on. But tonight we're doing our Brussels sprouts. Okay. Okay. Oh boy, that is going to be nice. That is going to be very nice. I'm going to drizzle just a little bit more olive oil. And I'm going to leave it uncovered. And I'll be back when it's done. Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh, these are so good. Oh my gosh, hear the crunch? Can you hear it? I wish you were here having some with me. My gosh, these are so good. Okay, guys, I told you I was going to show you how I made mine. This is one way to make them. These are so good. I love to get them brown like this. They're not burnt by any stretch, but I love to get them really, really brown. That's when they're good, when they're crunchy. So guys, I hope that you'll get some of these and make them. And until we get together again, manja. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Remember when I went to Trader Joe's and I got these French onion soup bites? Well, I'm going to make them tonight. It's New Year's Eve, and I'm just making a few goodies. We just usually have, you know, things like this and maybe some salami, pepperoni, cheese, you know, things like that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and make these. So what it says to do is put them on a baking dish, but leave them on this is oven safe. All right, let's see. Soup bites are packed in an oven safe tray. Do not remove bites from enclosed tray until after cooking. Preheat oven to 400. Remove plastic wrap from tray. Place black tray directly on baking sheet and cook on the center rack for about 18 to 22 minutes. Rotating once after 10 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done. Ooh, can you hear the sizzle? These look amazing, guys. All right, so there are my little appetizers for New Year's Eve. I made my Brussels sprouts, these, and I want to share these with you. Guys, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Happy New Year 2020.